Big news, fitness and smartwatch fans. The Garmin Venu 4 has just made a surprise appearance on the official Garmin Swedish support site, specifically on the ECG support page right next to the Venu 3. Now here's the kicker. It's the only unreleased watch listed there, which strongly hints that the Venu 4 is Garmin's next big launch, and it could be coming sooner than we expected, possibly in just days or weeks. Another breadcrumb in the Garmin Venu story. This isn't the first time the Venu 4 has been spotted online. Back in July, eagle-eyed fans over at Garmin Rumors noticed a mention of the Venu 4 on a Japanese site. That was our first real clue about Garmin's next mid-range smartwatch. And now, with this Swedish ECG support listing, we've got a second, much stronger piece of evidence. Put together, these breadcrumbs tell us one thing. Garmin is preparing the Venu 4 launch right now. ECG confirmed. Health at the center. The fact that Garmin listed the Venu 4 under ECG support is a massive hint. Garmin almost always updates its health documentation right before a new device release. This tells us that cardiac monitoring and advanced health features will once again be the core focus of this watch. And if the Venu 4 improves on what the Venu 3 already delivered, we could be looking at one of the most health-focused smartwatches of 2025. Timing and release. Clues: Garmin has followed a pretty steady rhythm with the Venu. Lineup: Venu 2019, Venu 2, 2021, Venu 2 Plus 2022, Venu 3. If this trend continues, then a 2025 launch for the Venu 4 makes perfect sense. The Swedish support site reference might even mean Garmin is in the final testing and documentation phase, just weeks away from making things official. Design expectations: when it comes to design, don't expect Garmin to go wild. The round smartwatch style that the Venu series is known for will likely continue. The experimental Venu X1 with its square design feels like a side project. But the Venu 4 should stick with the classic round face that appeals to buyers who want a premium look with modern upgrades. What the Garmin Venu 4 could bring, so what can we actually expect? Here's the wish list that fans, and honestly, the market, are hoping for. Built-in full-color maps for better outdoor navigation. Stronger performance metrics for runners, cyclists, and gym-goers. Premium case materials instead of the mostly plastic design on the Venu 3i. Brighter, faster AMOLED display for improved visibility. New sensors, possibly the Elevate 6 heart sensor, or even experimental glucose and hydration tracking based on Garmin patents. Longer battery life without adding bulk, and here are some quality-of-life upgrades fans really want to see. Built-in LED flashlight. Once you have it, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Optional LTE for more freedom without relying on your phone. Smarter software optimizations to make the watch smoother and more reliable. All these upgrades would make the Venu 4 a true daily driver smartwatch, not just for fitness tracking, but also for everyday use. Final thoughts? Launch incoming? So far, all signs point toward Garmin being very close to revealing the Venu 4. The Swedish ECG listing adds serious weight to the earlier Japanese leak, and together they paint a clear picture. The Venu 4 is not just a rumor anymore. It's a reality. And the official launch could be right around the corner. So, what do you think? Will Garmin finally deliver the perfect balance of health features, smart tools, and premium design with the Venu 4? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Touch Trove will keep you updated the moment Garmin makes it official, so make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss it.